Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to repair the door latch of a Canon EOS 50, also known as the Canon ELAN 2. This is an important component that prevents the back door from opening and thus protects the film from unwanted exposure. To carry out the repair, we will need a very small Phillips head screwdriver. First, we will remove this cover by loosening the two black Phillips head screws. Store the screws in a safe place. They're very small and can be easily lost. This is how the door latch works. This one was created with a 3D printer. I want to replace it with an original one. This tab is a common weak point on Canon analog cameras. It breaks off easily and then no longer functions. Now, we will unscrew the 5 silver screws from the front cover. 2 are on the front, 1 is on the bottom, and 2 are on the side, underneath the flash. Now we can carefully remove the cover. Next, we will loosen the 2 black screws on the bottom to be able to remove the black cover. Be very careful again, as there are contacts underneath it that can be damaged. Now we're going to remove the door latch. Carefully remove the contact. Be careful not to bend it. We still need it. This is the new door latch. I was able to order it from AliExpress for very little money. It looks like the original one. I will now attach the contact to it with a little bit of super glue. A small drop is enough. That looks good. We are ready to reassemble everything. When you install the door latch, you have to hook it into the spring. This can be a bit tricky sometimes. Make sure that these contacts are definitely touching and are not bent upwards. Now we can screw the small door latch cover back on to check if it's working correctly. Finally, we will screw everything back together. Be careful to use the correct screws in each place, as some are different lengths. That's it for the repair. You can see that it's not particularly difficult and can be done with very few tools. If you liked the video, feel free to leave a like. See you next time!